You probably use these things every single day, but you're making life harder than it needs to be. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 25 genius gadgets and smart tools that solve everyday problems in ways you never imagined. Don't skip a single one because the last few products are easily the most surprising and could become your new favorite home essentials. Jewelry organizer box. If you have a lot of jewelry at home like I do, get yourself an organizer box like this one, shaped like a little house, with storage compartments on both the front and back. All your jewelry, big and small, can go inside, one compartment per item, so it's easy to spot at a glance when you're looking for something. The bottom has a drawer design, and it even comes with sealed bags. Use those for anything that needs to stay sealed. It's really good looking and practical. Dopamine-colored draining basket. This dopamine-colored draining basket, I've been using it for several days now. It's great for rinsing rice and washing fruits and vegetables. It also has an extended handle, so it works perfectly as a scoop too. It has a double layer inside and outside design with a gap in between, so you can drain water right after washing, and it doubles as an attractive fruit bowl when you bring it to the table. Good looking and useful. You really should get one. Vegetable-shaped silicone trivet. If I didn't tell you, who would guess this is actually a trivet? It's shaped like little vegetables, and every flower and leaf shape can be used. Made of high-temperature resistant silicone, it won't deform even if boiled in a pot. You can use it under various clay pots and cups. Steaming hot cookware won't damage it. Just tuck it away when you're done, and it looks great as a decoration too. Magnetic tissue box. This is honestly the easiest tissue box I've ever used for refilling. It doesn't care what size of tissue paper you use. Refilling is super easy. It has a magnetic lid that opens with a simple lift. The bottom has a non-slip pad, so tissues pull out smoothly without jamming or the box sliding around. And it looks great too. Good anywhere you put it. Magnetic storage rack. Isn't this exactly the little storage gadget I've been looking for? The back is magnetic, so you can just stick it onto the fridge, and all those scattered little kitchen tools can be hung up for storage. Saves space and makes things easy to grab. The back has an extra large, extra thick magnetic sheet, so it sticks firmly without falling off. Stick it on the back of a door to store face masks, or on a tea cabinet to store tea bags. Easy to find whatever you need. Truly good looking and practical. Flip draining basket. Whoever designed this draining basket is a genius. Just flip the washed fruits and vegetables once and they drain in a second. There's a stand at the bottom of the basket, so you don't even need to hold it while draining. Super convenient. It's also heat resistant, so you can drain blanched food in it directly. It has a double layer design, and the inner layer rotates 180 degrees. After washing fruit, it can double as a fruit bowl. If you don't finish, just flip it over to cover. Great for keeping bugs and mosquitoes away. Sealed storage jar. Sealed storage jars these days are designed so nicely, I feel happier every time I use one. Not only does it look great, it also has a large capacity. Mine's the large size, holding over $2,000 meal at once. Perfect for storing grains at home. The lid has a rubber ring and clasp for a good seal, and the wide opening makes pouring easy. When you're done, just put it back in the cabinet. Neat and good looking. 5-in-1 cleaning brush. I finally found a cleaning brush for blenders that doesn't hurt your hands. The front has an L-shaped design that can get into tight spots like the blade at the bottom of the jug. Cleans them spotless. It can even reach into water kettles and oil pots where your hand can't fit. The bristles are just the right firmness. Clean without scratching the coating. There's also a gap brush on the handle for cleaning hard-to-reach spots like cup lids and straws. Hang it up when you're done, and it stays dry without getting moldy. Bird's nest fruit bowl. This fruit bowl really looks like it came from an artist's hands. The bird's nest shape is so full of inspiration and personality. The Klein blue color paired with the hollowed-out design makes putting fruit in it feel special. You don't have to worry about fruit going stale inside, and even empty, it looks like an elegant decorative piece sitting on the table. Definitely worth getting. Storage side table. For all the renting girls out there, here's a cheap little thing that can really boost your happiness. A small side table that doubles as a nightstand. Lift the tabletop and you can store small items and tissues inside. Close the lid and there's a thoughtful gap left for pulling out tissues. The material is nice too. A thick, formaldehyde-free material. Best of all, it's cheap. Great value for renters. Lotus ceiling clips. They made ceiling clips shaped like a blooming lotus. Such a clever design. Each petal is its own ceiling clip, and the flower center is magnetic so you can stick it to the fridge. For snacks or seasonings you haven't finished, just grab a petal to seal them up, then put it back when you're done so it doesn't get lost. The whole thing doubles as a lovely fridge magnet. Truly good-looking and practical. Silicone sink draining mat. Putting a draining mat over your kitchen sink is genuinely useful. Wash dishes, plates, and chopsticks can go straight on top to drain, and it also works well for fruits and vegetables. The center rod of the draining mat is solid with plenty of load capacity. Whether catching water or scrubbing pots, the height is just right. It's entirely silicone coated, so if your kitchen is small, you can prop a cutting board on top of it to instantly free up space, and it won't slip while you're cutting. Roll it up for storage when you're done. Takes up no space at all. Get one if you don't already have one. Astronaut Trash Can. Take my advice, ladies. Stop spending hundreds on trendy toy figurines. Look, I only spent a few dozen bucks on this Astronaut Trash Can, and it's just as good looking. It's not just about looks either. It has a huge capacity with an inner and outer double bin design, so trash bags won't show through. The lid opens with a twist of the ear, so in summer you don't need to worry about little bugs getting in. Full of tech vibes, really both attractive and practical. 5-in-1 bottle brush set. If you don't wash your water bottle, you might be giving your kid dirty water to drink, especially the straw and lid, which easily harbor grime. Get yourself a 5-in-1 bottle brush set like this. Easy to take apart and assemble. The straw brush reaches deep inside straws to clean the walls. The crevice brush cleans the narrow grooves in lids. The U-shaped brush is great for cleaning threaded bottle mouths, and the large brush cleans the inside of various cups. Once you're done, it all clicks together and can stand up for storage. If anyone at home drinks from a water bottle, get one ASAP. Crystal Strawberry Handmade Soap. Whoa, look what I found! A super dreamy crystal strawberry handmade soap. Once you open it, the whole room fills with strawberry fragrance. It's a natural essential oil soap that lathers up very finely. Great for washing your hands and face, leaving them soft and smooth without drying out. Each one is crystal clear, and it looks gorgeous hung up. The packaging is beautiful too, and best of all, it's not expensive. Using it to wash your hands every day gives you a real sense of happiness. Foaming pump bottle. Let's see, ladies, if you don't foam your facial cleanser before applying it to your face and instead hand rub it forever without getting a lather, it can clog your pores. No wonder you keep breaking out. But with a foaming pump bottle, the foam comes out fine and dense. So when you wash your face, residue is easier to remove and it rinses clean with just water, saving you cleanser too. It has a nice retro feel and works with facial cleanser, shampoo, or body wash. Mix water and cleanser at a 10:1 ratio, and over a year you'll save enough to practically buy a house, figuratively speaking. 2-in-1 spray and pour oil bottle. This is both a spray oil bottle and a pour oil bottle. Every kitchen needs one. Pouring oil from it doesn't drip down the side, and you can spray it lightly when frying pancakes or eggs, so you don't accidentally use too much. I especially love the pour spout. No matter how you tilt it, it just doesn't drip. There's a latch here that lets you switch modes anytime, and the wide mouth makes refilling oil easy too. It's basically like getting 2 oil bottles in one. Such a good deal. Scrub and massage bath puff. I bet you've never used something like this before. A bath puff that can both scrub and massage. The mesh netting has just the right firmness, lathers up quickly and thickly, and has a bit of texture to it. Cleans better than a scrub towel without hurting your skin, and unlike regular bath puffs, it won't fall apart after prolonged use. It also has a built-in suction cup on the back. Just stick it to the wall when you're done so it can air dry. It's affordable too, really worth trying. Kitchen filter funnel. I have to share this great find with you all. A kitchen funnel. It effortlessly filters out the pulp from soy milk. It has an ultra-fine mesh plug, and soy milk filtered through it comes out silky smooth. Even better than what you'd get at a breakfast shop. You can also use it to filter freshly squeezed juice for a more refreshing drink. The funnel shape paired with the fine plug means nothing spills while filtering, and it's easy to clean. Just rinse with water. Take the mesh out, and you can also use it to portion out grains. So many functions in one. This is genuinely useful. Mini USB-C sealing machine. Press this button, swipe gently across, and it seals right up. This mini sealing machine gets used constantly in my house. Leftover snacks or open seasoning packets can be vacuum sealed in seconds, so you don't have to worry about them getting damp. It also has a spring-loaded blade, making it handy for opening sealed bags or packages too. It charges via a universal USB-C port and lasts a long time on one charge. The back is magnetic, so you can just stick it away when you're done. Small and doesn't take up space. Get one if you don't already have one. Storage stool. This built-in storage stool is perfect for families with kids. Lift the cushion, and all the kids' toys can be tucked away inside. Put the lid back on, and it instantly becomes an adorable little stool. Made of thick PP material, it's wear-resistant and durable, with a silicone non-slip strip on the bottom. If you have kids, just get this without a second thought. Cherry blossom sealing clips. This design is brilliant too. Sealing clips shaped like cherry blossoms. Each petal is its own sealing clip, and the flower center on the back is magnetic, so you can stick it to the fridge. For leftover snacks or seasonings, just take off a pedal to seal them, then put it back when you're done so it doesn't get lost. It also doubles as a very pretty decorative piece. Portable pill box with water cup. Whoever designed this combo is a genius. A portable pill box with a built-in water cup. So convenient for taking medicine while out. The compartments keep things separate so items don't mix, and you can pull out the cup to drink water or rinse. It's made of baby bottle-grade silicone that can be boiled at high temperature without deforming or developing odors. You can even use it to store jewelry while traveling for work to keep pieces from tangling. Small and compact. Doesn't take up space when you carry it. Nezha Trash Can. Ladies, I really have to share my new trash can find, shaped like Nezha from Chinese mythology, and it's so cute. The design looks really cool, and it has a double bin setup, so putting trash bags in doesn't ruin the look. The little hair tuft on top acts as a lid to keep dust out, made of thick PP material with great texture. Mainly, it's just the adorable Nezha shape, and it looks great wherever you put it. Get one for your home, too. Suction cup tissue holder. For anyone with a small bathroom, don't waste the space on the side of your toilet. Install a suction cup tissue holder like mine, and you'll have a spot to store toilet paper. Saves space and makes it easy to pull out sheets. Just press and twist to attach it firmly with suction, and it works with all kinds of paper rolls or tissue packs. Pull one sheet at a time smoothly. Plus, the suction cup can be repositioned anywhere without leaving sticky residue or damaging the wall.